Alrighty, as our repertoire of broken synthesizers expands, we'll have to sacrifice another one to the bench. Donnie, it's your lucky day. Again. We've got ourselves here another 80s digital polysynth. This one's the Roland D-20, and I have no idea what the problem with this thing is. I think Tony said he got this thing out of a dumpster or got it from a music store as it was closing down. And he got it for next to nothing. So yeah, let's see what the problem is. Okay, so internal battery needs to be replaced. All right, all the keys work. So yeah, this seems like pretty much the same problem as his DX7, where A, the backup battery is dead, and 2, the front panel's all smashed in. So yeah, we'll just get this thing apart, try to get this front panel fixed up, and replace the battery. Damn, Tony, back at it again with the broken synthesizer. I always forget how to take the D20s apart. Oh, this one. Holding it together. Huh. Maybe not. Yeah, check that out. Intel inside. Get our main CPU board out of the way first. Man, they spared no expense. Whole thing's made of aluminum. Or steel. It's way unlike the Juno 106, which I kind of prefer to service because the whole thing lifts up from the front. But yeah, the underside, the base of the Juno's completely made of plywood. Real weird. Oh man, this isn't gonna be easy. Are these like captive? No way. No shot. There's no way that goes together like that. Alright, well that's getting unplugged. So this over here. Yeah, these guys are weird. They're not like plugs like these. They're almost like ZIF connectors, but for wires? I don't know. Anyway. Oh, but there's like plugs on the keyboard. You're a weird beast, Roland. This D20. Super strange. Just gonna try to move everything out of the way there without disconnecting it. It's interesting. I've never seen a LCD module screwed into a circuit board like that. Well, I guess maybe on the Game Boy? Let's see what we got here. Looks like all the buttons work. I'm not really seeing any cracking on the PCB, so that's good. Yeah, the buttons might have just gotten jammed in the case. Yeah, that looks pretty chewed up. Alright, so I've sanded down the keycaps, reinstalled them, fiddled with them a little bit by bending them back into shape. And then I did a minor realignment of this board here, so that the buttons and keycaps would make good contact. And last but not least, I've replaced the CR2032 battery over here. I've actually never seen one leak like this before, so that's kind of interesting. And luckily the Roland here has its own battery holder, unlike some synths that we've dealt with in the past. So now I just have to reattach the key bed here and the main board. Don't want to forget that. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, battery issue fixed. I gotta plug in the sound for sound to happen. Great. Let's see. Performance. All right. How do I not get it in split mode? All right, so I was like a little bit confused why the D-20 was like kind of working, but not working. I mean, you can hear it works, but none of the patches are here. And I was like, oh, wait, the CMOS battery died, so all the patches are gone. Now, I don't have any of the factory patches saved on my computer, but what I do have is another D-20. So yeah, basically I'm going to see if I can transfer my custom patches I have saved on here over to Tony's D-20 via MIDI. As you can hear, MIDI's working just fine. Alright, so we'll go over here to data transfer. One-way bulk select. We'll do the same over here on Tony's. Hit load, do write off, do enter. Now it's waiting. Then we'll do dump all, and then enter. And yeah, it's loading patches. This might take a while, or not. Heck yeah. Oh. Okay. So the button was just stuck there. All right, Tony, your synth is fixed.